On the left-hand side, go to Elements. In the Category section, click on Charts. So you have a variety of charts that you can select from. You can select bar charts, line charts, pie charts, area charts, all the way down to even infographic charts. You can also generate your own after you type in what it is that you want here. Or you can just import some data here and it will allow you to use one of these apps to upload your data. So I'm just going to select a bar chart for this example. In the data section, I can customize this to whatever I want by double clicking, and then I can just type in whatever. If I need to add more, I can continue to add more here. So you can also change the text of this to whatever you want. So let's say, for example, I want sales. And if I go over to the customize section, I can click on what I want to show on the graph. So if I want data labels to be shown, I can show it here. If I want the legend to be shown, I can show there as well. I can add a title to the graph. If I want to add a subtitle, I can do that here. If I add any source or link, I can paste it here. I can also put in the x-axis title, the y-axis title. I can set the minimum and maximum levels on the y-axis. And I can also change the increment levels. So I can adjust this to my own preference here. I can also select whether or not, if I want to select the choose the grid lines to be shown or not. If I want to add filters, I can come over to add filters. I can select the data type, the style, but that feature for filters is for pro users only. So I can also import data here. I can choose what labels I want shown. And I can also change the aggregate data to reflect a different data type. So if I want the sum or the average, I can do that here. If I want to change the color of this to a different color, I can do that as well. If I want each bar to have its own color, I would select categorical bar. This will automatically show different colors for each label. And of course, you can come over here and change it to whatever color you want. So that's the basics of how to create a bar chart for your presentation or design. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comments section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.